In this video, I'll detail how to delete or remove emergency contacts on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you added various lists of emergency contacts to your Samsung Galaxy device, so that if you press the side button 5 times like this, so this is going to put call through the emergency contact, and your Samsung phone will send your location and take a picture of the intruder directly to your emergency contact list on your Samsung phone. Then you can easily remove anyone from your emergency contact and add another one. So if you're not on this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to delete or remove emergency contacts on Samsung Galaxy device, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to safety and emergency. Then under safety and emergency, locate emergency contacts and click on that. Here you can see I have 6 emergency contacts added to my Samsung phone emergency contact list. Now I can remove any of these guys. So to do this, all you just need to do is click on the 3 dots at the top right, select delete, then come here and select all. Then once you click on all, click on remove. Or if you want to check or remove some of these emergency contacts on your Samsung phone emergency contact list, just select them. Then once selected, locate remove, click on remove. Then you see the selected emergency contact removed on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is how you can easily remove emergency contact on your Samsung phone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.